is Suling.
I am Daisy.
Someone just said that she's a college kid, but she has been working.
I got a haircut this weekend to look older.
But she's been working for 10 years now, from after college. After college. Taiwan.
我叫洪姓洪，
哇，这树林读书。
我是红饼家。
台湾健康，家务啦，不要讲啦。
Thank you. Happy Father's Day.
Daisy is helping us to put up a mixed, ABT.
Yes.
Modern Mermaid. Digital. What? Advertising in digital age, right?
Yep.
That's the thing. Okay, and then what's next? 咱哋叫成我呢個華邊啦嚇，先生照睇。
I'm 北教招來惠顧等特別嚟西蒙部分嘅即係工作啦。我叫趙心龍，本身係我是 Jennifer 嘅father-in-law。多謝。哦，愛講英語。I'm Sam Chow, came from the Bay Area. Thanks for Simon's invitation. We especially came down here to participate in the seminar yesterday and today. So we are grateful for this opportunity. I am Jennifer's father-in-law. Thank you for all your support.
等一下。
好，我刚才讲，我来看一下。
阮是住伫善后市北教州，善后咱平常就是台湾会馆，阮北教州嘛有台湾会馆，台湾会馆，我毋知影即个台湾会馆和迄台湾会馆是毋是共款，我是毋知影。我相信呢，即个台湾会馆有足侪activity。
咩後悔等講英語，10秒嘅呢
我即擺是講，我是北教州來，所以呢，我伫北教州，我是support，我是一個迄個教台灣話老師，所以我對教台灣話足有興趣，因為我是教囡仔，阮台灣會館有迄個台灣史，我是按所謂聽到
等下。Hey, Canvas.
Your turn.
Hey, where Canvas? Where Canvas?
Let's go, 3 of us. You're okay.
我講，因這個 organization 叫做 Foreign Cultural Alliance.
Taiwanese culture.
It's bigger than Torrance.
Taiwanese cultural alliance.
Taiwanese Cultural Alliance. So it's our big sponsor. Okay.
你食飽未？
你食飽？
阿貝。
My name is Kambis. I'm the Taiwanese Cultural Alliance board member.
I'm Shirley. I'm Tina. So we are same group. Yeah.
Okay, 啊，當然兩句啊。
Hey,
Make sure.
You want me to help you?
You can help me.
我的台語吼最近進步真濟。
你台北囡仔，所以有食啊。
我是台灣人，我香港，所以人我聽得到。
OK，多謝。
我愛台灣。
你愛台灣？
我愛台灣。
OK，安尼個頭先嗰幾句人還未講到無？嚇？講了啊哈。OK，安尼再來哈。We will ask our next TUF president to say a few words for us. First, to welcome Mr. Oh and Jennifer Cha.
Yeah, thanks everybody. I'd like to welcome everyone for coming here today. Thanks for Simon for hosting this event. I think yesterday, probably if you attended the event yesterday, probably saw me to do some introduction of TUF. So I think, yeah, okay. I think that's why Simon asked me to be here today. Just kind of give everyone a very quick introduction of TUF. Because I know, I guess most of you guys might have attended our past event, but a lot of times there's a lot of different schools. So, but probably may not know what TUF exactly is or what is our mission. So I just want to take a few minutes and just very quickly make that introduction to you one more time, so that you know exactly what TUF, what is our mission statement, and what is our activity. So TUF, our full name is Taiwanese United Fund. So then, you know, taking the initials of each word, we call ourselves TUF. 在我们台湾，我们是中文然后我们是台湾人联合基金会，台湾人联合基金会。我们拢较简称嘛哈。So that's why we call ourselves TUF. Just make it simple. And so, in order to quickly introduce ourselves, actually it's only our mission and also our activities. So, what is our missions? It goes back to 1986. That's the year when TUF was first formed. So, by next year, it will be our 30th anniversary. So, many the June starts. So it's actually quite a history. It's almost been 30 years. So, what is our missions? We actually have three main mission statements. Very first one is to it's to encourage to about Taiwanese culture and our heritage. That's our mission statement, just to make others to understand better of our own cultures. And our mission statement number 2 is about foster the awareness of among Taiwanese Americans about the passions and pride of our Taiwanese culture. And number 3 is about cultural exchange. So we like to deliver and also bring our culture through different activities so that non-Taiwanese people will have the chance to appreciate our cultures. So since we have those three mission statements, in order to execute them, the way we do is through different activities. So what we do is, traditionally, every year, we have a big event called Cultural Night. It's a banquet event. It will be hosted once per year. Traditionally, that's what we do. And the purpose of the Cultural Night is to invite people from Taiwan, someone who, in the field of culture, come here and just give a speech, share with everyone in their field of expertise, their experience in that particular area, so that all the Taiwanese people here will have the chance to know about that. So we started that program since 1986. So traditionally, we do that every year. That's our biggest event for TUF. And so that's number 1. So the second activity that we do, in fact, we started in 1991. It's called Great Performance. And we do that probably 1 or 2 events per year. So exactly what Cultural Night, Great Performance is we invite Taiwanese people, whether it's from Taiwan or Taiwanese Americans or Taiwanese in other part of the world, who it's extraordinary in terms of musical abilities. So it could be a pianist or so. The great performance is we provide the venues so that they will have the chance to perform here, so that we can introduce musical performance to all the Taiwanese people here, as well as the mainstream people. So that's the activity number 2. And the third activity, I call that a program. We started in 1999, and we call that grant. The way it does is just a typical grant. Other organizations, other Taiwanese organizations, if they are doing different events with cultural related events, if they need money, they can apply grants through TUF. And we will review if everything's, meet all the conditions and requirements. We will be able to fund a grant portion of the activities. So that's our program number 3. And number 4, we started in 2009. It's called TUF Salon. And that's also, in addition to all the previous program that I have just mentioned about, it's a salon style. Simon actually has been hosting more than 20 TUF salons. And what we do in that salon, it's more like, I think it's like a talk show, or I don't know, maybe Simon knows. Yeah, like discussion panels where we invite young people, mostly young people in different fields, mostly Taiwanese Americans and the successful young Taiwanese people, and just to come here and have that discussion panels to share real experience to other young Taiwanese people as well. And also starting this year, this is the program that we have started this year, which is the Taiwan 作家演讲系列. So we invite the writers, ABTs, to share their writing experience and also introduce them to other non-Taiwanese American people. So that's how we like to kind of execute our missions through all different programs. So we are going to continue to have those programs every year. So that's why we would like to everyone to share that with all your friends. So in our next events, please come and join us. So thank you. So that's pretty much a little bit about TUF.
Well,
In other